Ayan na. At nakagawa ako ng may 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 14. 13 na lang to kasi kinain ko yung isa. But let us taste this one with Oreo. Try natin. Try natin. Uupo ako. Para matikman natin. Da, 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 da. Oh. Really have to try it. Sarap. So, no need for, sa oven, ha? Steam. Sarap. Ayan na. My steam muffins. Banana muffins. Try it now.